Boost your English, mastering relative clauses. Hello, English language learners. We hope you're having a great day. Today, we're diving into the realm of relative clauses. More specifically, we're going to explore how you can use relative clauses to combine sentences and avoid repetition. If you've ever wanted to sound more fluent and articulate, this is the way to do it. First things first, let's remind ourselves, what exactly is a relative clause? A relative clause is a type of dependent clause that contains a subject and a verb. It begins with a relative pronoun. Who, whose, whom, which, that, or a relative adverb. When, where, why. The purpose of a relative clause is to provide additional information about a noun phrase, or a pronoun. This extra information often helps to specify or define the noun or pronoun, making our sentences more precise and nuanced. Now, let's move on to the main focus of this video: avoiding repetition with relative clauses. Relative clauses are fantastic tools for combining sentences, especially when we want to avoid repeating the same information. For instance, let's look at these two sentences. 1. I read a book. 2. The book was fascinating. In their current form, they're simple and somewhat repetitive. However, by using a relative clause, we can combine them into a single, more eloquent sentence. 1. I read a book that was fascinating. See the difference? The relative clause, that was fascinating, provides additional information about the book, making the sentence more engaging and avoiding unnecessary repetition. Let's put theory into practice with a few more examples. Take these sentences. I have a friend. My friend lives in Australia. By using a relative clause, we can combine these into I have a friend who lives in Australia. Or these ones. This is the restaurant. The restaurant just won a prestigious award. Combined, they become this is the restaurant that just won a prestigious award. With these examples, you can see how relative clauses can significantly reduce repetition and make your sentences more fluid and interesting. And there you have it, folks. That's how you use relative clauses to combine sentences and avoid repetition. We hope this has been helpful and encourages you to experiment with relative clauses in your own speech and writing. Remember, practice makes perfect. Thanks for joining us today, and keep up the great work on your English language learning journey. Until next time, happy learning!